Good morning, dear students of class 9th. It's your first chapter of Moment, The Lost Child. In last video lecture, we were talking that when child was going to the fair with his father and they were going through the mustard field, and after that, as they neared the village, the child could see many other footpath full of throngs converging to the whirlpool of the fair, and felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. Means, when they were going to the fair and they were passing through the mustard field, as they neared the village, as they reached near to the village, the child could see many other footpaths and footpath full of throngs. He saw many footpaths full of crowd of the people converging to the whirlpool of the fair, and they were converging means entering to the whirlpool of the fair, means they were entering in the fair through the crowd of the people, and felt at once repelled, means and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. When he was entering in the fair, he felt at once repelled and fascinated by confusion. He was attracted. He got confused in the crowd of the people when he was entering in the fair. A sweet meat seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and a crowd pressed round his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets. A sweet meat seller hawked. He saw a sweet meat seller. He was crying to sell his sweets like gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi, etc. at the corner of the entrance. Means at the corner of the entrance of the fair, he was crying to sell his sweetmeats, and crowd passed around his counter at the foot of a architecture of many colored sweets. Means in that corner, he was having many colored sweets and he was trying to sell his sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold. Means he decorated his sweets with leaves of silver and gold. The child stared open-eyed. He looked towards the sweets open-eyed, and his mouth watered for barfi. That was his favorite sweet. And when he saw those sweets, his mouth became watered for barfi, because barfi was his favorite sweet. I want that barfi, he slowly murmured. He silently and slowly murmured because he was feared with his father. That's why he slowly murmured for barfi, that I want barfi. But he half knew, as he begged, that his plea would not be heeded, because his parents would say he was greedy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. Means he pleaded. He was knowing that his plea means his appeal would not be noticed, because his parents would say that he is greedy, and he thought such, and so without waiting for an answer, he moved on. A flower seller hawked a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. When he entered In the fair, he saw a flower seller. He was crying to sell his flowers, a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. Means he, when he saw those flowers of gulmohar, garland of gulmohar, he was unable to control himself, and he went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped, and half murmured, where the flowers were kept. When he saw those flowers, he half murmured, means very silently, very slowly he said something, that I want that garland. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. And when he half murmured to take those flowers, garland of gulmohar, he was knowing about his parents that they would refuse to buy these flowers because they would say that these flowers are cheap. So, without waiting for an answer, he moved on again. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons flying from it. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colored, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. Means a man stood, and when he entered in the fair, he was moving in the fair, he saw a man. He was standing with a pole with yellow and red and green purple colored balloons flying over the pole. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colored of the balloons. Means he was attracted by those balloons, and he carried away. He went towards those balloons to see those balloons, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire. When he saw those balloons, he was filled with great desire to possess them all, to take them all. But he well knew, he was knowing very well, that his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play. He was knowing, means the child was knowing that my parents will say that I am very old to play with these balloons. So he walked on further. And when he walked on farther, a snake charmer stood, playing a flute to a snake, which coiled itself in a basket, its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its visible ears like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. When he was moving in the fair, he saw a snake charmer standing and playing flute for a snake, and the snake was coiled itself in a basket. Its head, means snake's head, raised in a gracefully and bent like a neck of a swan. Means like a swan, he raised his neck, while the music stole into its invisible ears, like the gentle rippling of invisible waterfall. The child went towards the snake charmer, and as he saw the snake charmer, he went toward the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played. Means he was knowing that his parents had told him not to listen such music, not to hear such music as the snake charmer played. And he proceeded farther, means he moved on farther. There was a roundabout in full swing, men, women, and children carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, please, mother. When he went farther, means the child went farther in the fair, he saw a roundabout, means it is a kind of swing. That was in a full swing, means that roundabout was in full swing, in full motion. Men, women, and children were moving in that roundabout, carried away in a whirling motion, means they were moving, they were enjoying in a whirling motion, and shrieked and cried, and they were shouting and crying with dizzy laughter. In a playful manner, they were shouting and crying and laughing. The child watched them intently, very attentively. The child was watching them, those people, and then he made a bold request. Means very greatly boldly he requested to his parents that I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, please, mother. When he made a very bold request to his father and mother, there was no reply. Means his parents replied nothing. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. As they turned to look, when there was no reply from his parents, he turned to look his parents. They were not there. Ahead of him, he turned to look on either side, and he again turned to look either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. Means he looked all around for his parents, but they were not there. He missed his parents in the fair. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body he ran from where he stood. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat. Means through his dry throat he started crying, and with a sudden jerk of his body he ran from where he stood. He started running from where he was standing in search of his parents, crying in a real fear. He became feared. He was feared, and he started crying for his father and mother. Mother, father, tears rolled down from his eyes. Hot and fierce, his flushed face was convulsed with fear. Panic stricken, he ran to one side first, then to the other, hither and thither in all directions, knowing not where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. When he was running here and there in search of his parents, tears rolled down from his eyes, and hot and fierce means he became very fierced. His flushed face means his face became reddish and was convulsed with fear, means he was shocked with fear. Panic stricken, he became very panic. He ran to one side first, then to the other, means sometime he ran either side and some to the other side, hither and thither, here and there. He ran here and there in all direction, means he ran in all direction in search of his parents, but knowing not where to go. He was not knowing where my parents had gone. Mother and father, he wailed. His yellow turban, he was crying, mother, father, and his whipped turban, his yellow turban, he wailed, he wept, he was weeping. His yellow turban came untied, and he was wearing a yellow turban that became untied, and his clothes became muddy. When he was walking and running in the fair in search of his father and mother, he was crying. Then his turban became untied and his clothes became muddy.